Hi guys, in this video I show you different photo effects you can do with Capcut. For example, making a 3D zoom or making a video out of a photo. Very nice effects. Check it out. Select your photo and find the photo effects. There are many different effects as you can see here. We are testing a few of them. First we start with the Transcendence effect. This effect is transforming your picture into a 3D video. The next one we are trying is the autofill. There's a funny 3D camera shake here. Then we are trying my personal favorite, the 3D zoom. There are many other very nice effects here. For example, this anime style effect here. You can also play with these particle effects here. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.